Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Basic to Advanced T-shirt Designs, and in this one I am going to talk about how to check trademarks. So I use this website called trademarkia.com. You can search like Trademarkia, you will find this website. So here if you search anything, like I have that text copied, so I am taking this one. Everything I know I learned from my from docs. So this is that line I'm going to search. So if I paste it here or type it here and then click on this search, it is going to show me if there is any text, any trademark or copyright available for this text. So it is showing nothing here. Trademark may be available, it is saying trademark may be available, but it is not showing anything here. That means there is no copyright or trademark in this text. But if I let me show you, this is a famous song from Titanic. If I search this one, my heart will go on. So if there is any trademark available here, okay, so this is not showing trademark for this one. Let me search another one. Okay, so let's try something else here. I'm going to type in winter is coming, the famous quote from Game of Thrones. If I search this one, okay, so you can see this is showing me some trademark. This is showing me some, this is showing the status is registered, and where it is registered you can see marks, drinking glasses, clothing, namely t-shirts, online retail store service featuring t-shirt, hat, mouse pads. That means t-shirt is included here, so you cannot make a design on this one. And if you can see this registered trademark sign here, it is, you can see these trademarks are not live, they are dead, like they didn't upgrade the trademark yet, but it was once registered. So once you can find a trademark registered on something, just stay away from that, do not make anything with that one, that phrase. And the rest, if it is not showing you anything here, then you can work with that. And of course for trademark, always avoid anything that is famous, anything from a movie, anything from a novel, anything from that you know it is a famous thing or a famous quote or famous saying from anywhere. Just avoid it. You can search like this, basketball quotes, so you will find tons of different quotes here. So let's say you are going to copy this one, then you can make a search for this one. If this has any copyright issue, it will show up here. It is not showing anything here, that means there is no copyright in this one. There is no trademark in that one. It may be Kobe Bryant said that, but that doesn't registered as a trademark, so there is no trademark on that. So Phil Jackson said this line. I'm going to copy this and then I'm going to search it here, and it is going to show me. Okay, so there is no trademark in this one. That means you can make a design with this text and you can make it however you want. So that's a way of searching trademark. I hope this will help you understand the process. See you in the next one.